How to add someone in WhatsApp group without saving their number. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to add someone to a WhatsApp group without actually saving their number. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp, and then from here, if you want to create a group, now the first thing you do is click on this plus icon at the bottom right here, and then from here you can just tap on new group. But if you try to search a member based on their number, then you don't see anything right here. So first it will ask you to add it to your contacts and then add it to your group. But there is a workaround for that. So what you can do is go ahead and tap on the search icon at the top right. Here, as you can see, it says search for a name or number. Now you can only search for a number here, and if you see the number here and if you find the person, you are going to send a message to this specific person, and then you can just tap on their name and chat with them for a bit. And then when you try to add a group member, they will be suggested right here. So you can just tap on their number like that and add them to a group. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.